Good evening, guys. So 2 days ago, I think on Monday, I posted on my Instagram page that I posted my garden, or not my garden anyways. I posted a picture of myself and my sister when she came to pluck water leaf and on Instagram, and said I need ugu seed for me to be able to get my own vegetables from my farm, because I've been looking for it for some months now, ever since we moved in here, and I did not find it. I couldn't find it. I sent someone and the person said they couldn't find it. So after posting that on my Instagram page, one of my customers actually called and said that she went to the market on Tuesday and then she got the ugu seed for me. So that is what my dispatcher just brought, which is in here. It is still very fresh, so I will have to dry it out. I'll have to dry it for some time. That is what I heard I have to do with it. So if I want it to grow out, I'll have to dry it well. Okay, so let me take you to the backyard. So I'm now at my backyard and this is the ugu seed over here. So let me just open it up and see what is really in here. So this is it. It's very, very fresh. I think I'm going to plant like how many? Maybe 332 or 44. Okay, 44. I think it's usually 44. So these 8 seeds of the fluted pumpkin seeds. I'm so excited because I've looked for this thing, checked. Although I did not go by myself, I sent people to look for it and they did not see it. So this is it. Thank you to my lovely customer for buying this for me. Like, she did not even ask for any money or whatsoever. She just went to the market, saw it and got it for me since I said I needed it. We are going to be having vegetables here very soon. Now I have an update. Let me show you. See, the whole of this place has been weeded. Now, the last time I showed you this backyard, it was very bushy, but now can you see? It's no longer bushy because the whole of this place has been weeded. I woke up this morning and saw Dorothy weeding the whole of this place that had grasses all over, and then Rebecca weeded this one this evening, like this part of the farm this evening, and transplanted some okra because the okras were very, very compacted. So she transplanted them to this other side. See one here, another one. I'm going to be having a lot of okra on this farm. If you're in Abuja and you'll be interested in okra from my farm, please let me know, because I'll be having a lot of okra, and I don't eat okra that much. I just eat little okra, like sparingly. Once in a while I eat okra. Oh, so that is my little update for now, and baby is still in here and I'm still here. I'm still strong. Look over here, over there. This is also a place, another potential farm in this compound, but the place is covered with these green grasses. The grasses are so fresh, like I don't want it to be cut out because they are like so fresh, and maybe goat or cow or any livestock that eats grass will really love to eat these grasses here. They are so fresh, very, very fresh. If I'll be the one to plant the ugu seed, I'll show you. But if I'm not the one, maybe I'll show you when it has grown. And look at the small something I showed you just 2 days ago. It has grown out very well. Wow. This is nice. This is nice. And I knew I planted some pawpaw seeds at the other place and it has come out, so I think I will have to come and transplant that. My garden is coming up. My garden is coming up very soon. We are going to have lot of food from this garden. Yeah, so that is just a little update. The little update I wanted to show you about the pumpkin seeds. Thank you again to my very special customer for sending me this. I appreciate. Hi. This is smiling. What are you doing?
I'm trying to thank you for
For this thing, we are making it with coconut milk now. So that it will look like jollof moimo. Let me show you this coconut milk. This is the coconut milk that Dorothy will be using to prepare the moimo. And let me show you. Can I pass? And then this is the biscuit bone or brisket bone. This is the brisket bone. I don't like fish in my moi moi, and egg is like very well used, so I prefer brisket bones in my moi moi. So this is what we'll be using. And what else? Hey Dorothy, so you still ate this okpa? Eh? Dorothy, you still ate this okpa after all my warning? Eh?
don't worry, I will finish everything like this.
Can you I told this girl not to eat the okpa. That is okpa enugu. Okpa enugu that my sister brought for me. Dorothy ate it. She asked me like 3 times whether she should eat the okpa. I told her no, don't eat it. And she still went ahead. Dorothy, do you think my moi and okpa is the same? No. And I don't, one thing about okpa is that I don't know how to eat okpa. I've tried severally to eat it, but I can't. And since this one is okpa enugu, I say okay, let me see. There's one and so. And so since this one is okpa enugu, I said okay, let me see if I'll be able to eat it. Where is the one that is left? See, it's remaining one. Now this okpa enugu wasn't for you. Hi guys, it's night time and I'm eating pineapple. I'll show you the time. The It's almost 12 p.m. My husband is asleep. And I'm eating pineapple because I watch videos that eating pineapple will help to induce and make the baby to come faster. So that is why we went out this evening to buy pineapples, and I have pineapple in here, so I'm supposed to like kind of eat a lot of this and see what happens. So I'll eat a lot of this and see what happens. So I'll keep you updated about what happens. I pray this works. I did not want to eat it again, but my husband said I should eat it. That was the essence of going to buy it, or what's the essence of waiting or wasting time? I should just go ahead and eat it if it will make it come faster. That is, make the labor to come faster. So that's why I'm eating it now. It's pretty late. I was almost asleep. I still have to eat it, and I'm going to talk to you later. Let me just go ahead and eat.
What is that? Lizard.
Ah, lizard egg. Throw it away. Ah, don't like lizard. Lizard. Lizard egg.
You want to show people?
We are working on the farm. The farm is moving to permanent site. Here, we've planted seeds, pepper, tomato, just seeds. Then here we have scent leaf, curry leaf, mint leaf. They are just planting it this morning, so it has not come out yet. We planted curry leaf here. So we planted curry leaf and mint leaf here, but because of the grasses and everything during weeding, we lost most of them, and it's only one that is remaining inside there. And
Careful.
this corn is not supposed to be here, so we'll uproot it so that we can have space to pass to. You can see I'm stepping on one because there is no space, so we have to uproot it. Still have our water leaf here, okra, and a lot of amaranthus.
What's amaranthus?
Share is green, Dorothy. Yes.
You call green amaranthus?
Yeah, this. What
do I know?
This is okra. The okra is already bringing out fruit.
Yeah.
You're supposed to get. Already bringing out fruit.
Here is the fruit.
I just want this ugu to grow, this pumpkin, so that we can be having fresh things in the house.
Yeah, that's my mama. Mom, say hi. Say hi. Say hi now.
Hi. I like you. You are telling me to people.
We're in the farm. We're in the farm.
They don't tell me, oh, Mommy, you must dress fine. Before you know it, they don't carry you. You're already dressed fine.
You're dressed for the farm. Dorothy, you don't go far again. Just
don't mind Dorothy. She will do everything.
Before you know now, you're just looking for a way to use this side. You will not succeed. Okay, so this bed is actually for this pumpkin seeds, and one of our
are we to put it down?
One of our customers on 80 francs skincare gave us the seed, and Momsy is planting it.
You would have been putting two, but I'm putting one. No, we should put two.
Let me put two. This is an A-level planter that has lots of experience.
This is the quick.
I'm so sure first.
Okay, but you say it's the fake one.
It's a very fake one that will destroy your farm. If you don't
Come and be giving monkey this thing. Tutu.
Hold on, she's marking.
Not finish. Wait though. I planted one there. Yes. One should be there, one here, then one here.
No, see, I can carry 2 more.
You still have some.
See now.
Guys, I'm marking.
Two.
I'm marking because
Okay,
I know
okay.
the number.
Okay.
They are here for 3. 2 there, 2 here.
Keep space in case we want to put something by the side.
What do you want to put against this?
Dorothy, please, you pack this lizard egg and throw away so they will come and grow here or hatch here. And we're supposed to use stick to mark where they are.
Green.
No, it's a fine stick.
Come on, cut, even if it's this one. Just cut them.
See, no, not that one, Dorothy.
Where you put it? I think it's here. This place. Hey, look at me, look at me. I want my indoor slippers out.
So this is from Eloma Macaulay.
Which farmer? You should be calling me farmer. I studied that Greek.
Farmer, you are
The deceiver of self.
I studied that Greek, so I'm the farmer here.
I'm wearing green, so I'm the farmer here.
You are-
Practical one.
You are engineer and farmer.
NG farm.
Agriculturist. I am an agriculturist. Oh my god, my face is.
Oh, you planted one around here. Yes. Yes.
So baby, how do you feel about this farm?
Yeah, I'm actually happy because finally we are able to plant we're finally able to plant the ugu vegetable pumpkin.
I said like this, the sun is this way.
We are finally able to plant the pumpkin. So I'm very happy because the farm is gradually taking shape, and we have tomato, pepper,
Green and yellow bell pepper.
tatashi, green and yellow bell pepper too.
Yeah,
For real?
I think
Nice.
so.
Okay, and here we have the mint leaf, curry leaf, and the scent leaf. Yeah, so. And this other side, the green is doing very well, as you can see.
And you see,
The green is doing very well. Beautiful. Why I love all these greens and pumpkin vegetable is because it's very good for you to take something like that. It helps with your blood, with regulation of your blood sugar level and all that. So
building
please,
your blood.
be sure to take that always.
What do you
And
want to
also-
do with this place here?
Yeah, this other side. I'm going to. It's looking very scary. Very scary. So I'm even suspecting some things will be hiding inside here. So I'll get it. I'll contract the security guy to read everything so that we plant corn. And I'm going to so share it with you guys. So locate me if you can when it's time for harvesting corn, okay? I'm a farmer.
When
by
it's time to
profession.
harvest our own corn.
Yeah, our own corn. What is it? This is elephant's grass. We don't need it around here because it goes into a very serious bush.
Yeah, and they are very fresh and thick, you know,
That's to show you the nutrients
in this place.
embedded inside there. So I'm going to harness it. Careful, Mama. Thank you, Ma. You have shown that you are an Atam woman.
It's still early in the morning. I've not showered, still wearing my hair bonnet and my nightwear. No, just came to the
The
farm.
fertilizer.
Yes.
We actually bought it for the flower, but what will
This is not
happen?
fertilizer, this is manure.
Is it not the same thing?
It's manure.
It's manure.
Fertilizer and manure.
They do the same work now. Okay, this is manure, organic.
This is organic manure.
This is organic manure, yeah. Cow
In this
dung.
bag. Yeah, we have organic manure in there. What? That's
Johnny is big.
What were you expecting?
Hello, morning, boss.
Don't mind them. Don't mind them. I can educate. Let's leave here. Let me be good. I did it. Are you serious?
Yes, you
Yes.